Control number 40099. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Arlene M. Moralita, 41 years old, separated. I had 4 children, 2 boys and 2 girls. Their age is 21, 19, 12, and 8. I have 3 brothers and 2 sisters, and I'm the 5th of the family.
What is your educational attainment?
I'm a high school graduate in the Hot Vocational High School, and I'm also a caregiver in Fatima Review Center.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to help and support my family needs here in the Philippines.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
Yes, Ma'am.
Where?
In Jeddah, Saudi Arabia.
What kind of work you had in Jeddah?
All household chores, Ma'am.
How long you worked there?
More than 4 years.
Do you have experience in taking care of an old person?
Yes, Ma'am.
What can you do for elderly?
I'm preparing for foods and medicines, change diaper, get vital signs, taking bed bathing.
Do you have experience in taking care of newly born babies and children?
Yes, Ma'am.
What can you do for babies and children?
Change diaper and clothes, feeding, and take bathing.
Aside from your daily household work, what other special skills you can do inside the house?
Tutoring and cooking, Ma'am.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
I'm cooking in Chinese, chop suey, and steamed fish and vegetable. For Filipino foods is menudo and adobo. For Italian foods is spaghetti in carbonara.
Describe yourself as an housemaid.
I'm a honest and responsible and hardworking.
During misunderstanding of your employer, what do you do?
I'm apologize and say sorry, Ma'am.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How did they treat you?
They treat me as like as the family, Ma'am.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
Dear Sir, Ma'am, if you choose me as your household worker, I promise I do some duties and responsibilities, and I promise that I will finish my contract within 2 years. Thank you.